Hi, this is Zach Meir from Master Investor, the Retail Investor Conference on April the 25th, which has a passion for PLCs. I'm starting off with Bushveld Minerals, where you can see that there's been another attempt at breaking through the 50-day moving average. That's currently at 2.51 pence. We had similar attempts in October and at the beginning of January. They failed. What we're looking for here is probably a green candle with the low of the candle, or the daily low, well above the 50-day moving average. If we can get that over the next couple of sessions, one would be looking for a push towards the 200-day moving average and the top of this descending October price channel around the 3.3 pence level. But obviously the big plus with a decent close above the 50-day line would be that we might finally get a decent turnaround for the shares, a lasting turnaround, which obviously would end what has been quite an extended decline over the past year or so. Next up is Snoozebox Energy, where it's an interesting situation in terms of the technicals. We had an unfilled gap to the upside through the 50-day moving average last month, and another one towards the end of the month, beginning of March. The view now is that this should be regarded as a strong reversal signal, especially while we hold above the 50-day moving average at 1.18 pence. And any weakness towards that zone currently regarded as a buying opportunity that might fill the second gap as well. The upside, if we hold above the 50-day line, as high as 2.5 pence, the top of a December rising trend channel. Next up is Xcite Energy, stock which has obviously been in the wars over the last few months, as you can see. The view in the near term is that we've got potential support here coming after the brief bear trap below this December uptrend line running towards the 30 pence level. 30 pence now decent stop loss for the shares, and above that we could see a top of December price channel target as high as 45 pence over the next 1 to 2 months. Finishing off with Snoozebox stock, which I covered last year. It's come back from the heights of November towards 10 pence, but it looks as though we're back in this rising trend channel from the summer, from July, above the 50-day moving average. Could hit 10 to 11 pence, the top of last year's channel, after this unfilled gap to the upside, which is a pretty solid buy signal for the shares. Also higher support above 6 pence versus September as well. That's it for me. More updates at masterinvestor.co.uk.